Hey there, fellow travelers. If you're a frequent flyer who's tired of those endless lines at customs, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into how to use American Express Global Entry credit to make your international trips smoother and faster. Global Entry is a U.S. Customs and Border Protection program that lets pre-approved travelers breeze through immigration with expedited screening. And the best part? Certain American Express cards offer a credit to cover the application fee, potentially saving you up to $100. First things first, check if your Amex card qualifies. Cards like the Platinum, Gold, or Green often include this perk, but always double-check your card's benefits on the Amex website. Once you're sure, head over to the official Global Entry website to start your application. You'll need to create an account, fill out a detailed form about your background, and pay the $100 fee. Here's where the magic happens. Use your eligible American Express card to pay that fee. This triggers the credit on your card statement, usually within a few billing cycles. After payment, you'll schedule an in-person interview at a Global Entry enrollment center. Bring your passport and any other required documents, and be prepared to answer questions about your travels. Once approved, you'll get a known traveler number, KTN, to add to your flight bookings. This means faster processing when you arrive in the U.S., no more waiting in those long lines. Remember, Global Entry membership lasts 5 years, so it's a worthwhile investment for regular international travelers. A few tips to keep in mind. Apply well in advance of your trip, as the process can take several months. Also, make sure to keep receipts for any reimbursements. If you have any issues, contact Amex customer service. They're usually super helpful. So, what are you waiting for? Level up your travel game with American Express Global Entry credit and wave goodbye to airport hassles. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more travel hacks. Safe travels.